Once again, I installed the new receiver, the control, remote control, and everything. It's installed at this moment, and the fan doesn't even start at all. So I tried it a few times since about an hour ago. I already sent an email to the company, to Eileen. So hopefully we can actually get this fixed. I don't know if the problem was the receiver or the remote. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it. I'm gonna go to the wall outlets or the switch to turn it on. Okay, here we go. Turning the fan on right now. I pressed the button, and you see that it wants to start. Just stays this low. It goes on reverse again. Goes forward. It did 2 bips. It'll stop. Okay, I am pressing the button one more time to start it again. It goes to the same cycle, tries to advance, and slowing down again. It's like the motor wants to go and don't, and then it tries to go in reverse. And it does the same cycle, doesn't even go forward or on reverse. It's almost 3.5 minutes. Well, 3 minutes because I was speaking the first 30 seconds. We tried and stops.
I wanna see. I do it.
Goes to reverse. As you can see, it's this on the same cycle. It's been the same. He has done it 3 times, but never advanced. I think it's still the same way as the first time. So I might think this is not a problem with the remote nor the receiver. This might be the motor that has the issue or the problem. But I will let the company decide what's going to happen.
Here's your ball.
It's 5 minutes still, and it's on the same cycle, and as you can see, it hasn't even started. In fact, the ceiling fan never started running after I changed the remote nor the receiver on the unit. Same cycle, then goes back.
That's how you do it.
It's been 6.5 minutes on it, and it's going through the same cycle. So I might as well change the all remote or the receiver and see if that actually helps better. Because at least with the other one, it would take like 5, 7, or 8 minutes and it starts. This one seems like it's not even going. I haven't been successful starting this fan as of today. So cutting the video, I will send this to you guys to the company and see what's going on, what's going to happen. Thank you.